you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. To help keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead bin. And also, if you're seated next to a window, please close your window shades. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. As soon as I find out exactly which baggage carousel you can retrieve your luggage, I will let you know. Your feedback is very important to us. Some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or the United app, and we'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight today. On behalf of our entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope that you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duty checks.